just gone 12 o'clock and I'm just starting my walk now. Turning right onto Bench Hill Road. Tired already? Get this cracked. Well, here I am at the fire station. Big thank you to all the ladies and lads at the fire service, all the firefighters who will be working this Christmas. Hats off to you ladies and gents, hats off. 20 minutes, not bad for an enterprise centre. Uphill all the way. Hi everybody, just at the forum, and that will take me just under 5 minutes from the other side of Civic. I didn't worry. So about to go in for the drive for a few seconds and then back out into the open and off towards the police station. I'll see you there. Well, here I am just past the police station. I'm just on the corner of Poundswick and Simon's Way. So I'll head off towards the MEA now, turn right down Greenwood, and hopefully it's all downhill from there. See you in a bit. Well, here I am back at the start line. I did a rough calculation before I set off. If I was walking it without weight, it should take about an hour 15, maybe an hour 20, 25. It's now 1/4 past, I started off at 5 past. So that's 5 past 1 to 5 past 12 to 1/4 past 1. So it's taken me an hour and 10 minutes with 25 kilograms. Not too shabby. Try to improve on that though over the days. Hello everybody, here we are. Day 10 of 10 days, last one. We're just going past the fire station, so hopefully you can see that because it's with the GoPro you can't. So there we go. Last little bit, downhill leg now. Last what, 100 yards, 150 yards or so, and we're done for this year. So ideas people, need ideas to what to do next year. And don't forget, if you come up with a bad one, you need to bend over and I'll show you where it goes.